Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 17 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to work on some of the small changes that we added, and also we added the balcony. So now we're gonna work on this, keep on working on this. So what I want to do is to download the lights. So go to part 1 description. There will be 2 links there, and the second link is all extra families, and you'll be able to download the lights. So we have a face base circle or square. So for now, I'm gonna download both of them, and then you choose which one do you want. So if you want a square base or a circle base, it's up to you. For now, I'm gonna use a square base for this one, and I'm just gonna drag it down, and then if didn't come CM, so now the square base is right there. So the good thing about this is you can add it on different faces. As you can see, it attaches to everything, even for this one. So you just need to place them to the location that you want. I'm gonna add it on this one right here as well, and then into the roof. So I'm gonna add it here, and then also below here. And then why not add it onto this side as well? So adding those lights will really enhance our model once we're in Twinmotion. So it is very important for us to add those, and then maybe here as well. So only on those areas that we're gonna do that. And then after that, just go to level 1, and then here we'll be able to just move them in the center. CO, I want to maintain around, I think 1000 is good enough. CO, don't forget to click multiple, and then let's add every 1000. I think in this area 4 is enough, and then we center them, and then just by using your eyes, you'll be able to see that, oh, that's good enough there. And then this one as well, CO, every 1000. There we go. And then center it a bit, and then I think that's good enough. So we're good there. Let's add it on this one. CO 1000. I think here you can add in 3, and then center it a bit. And then here I'm going to align it so that everything is aligned, even though if they're far enough, at least you know that everything is centered, and it will look nice. 1000. Make sure that when you're doing that, there's nothing, there's not an angle that you're creating, or else it's gonna be off. And then let's go to our level 2. If it's not showing up, let's go to view right here, reflect and ceiling plan, and then let's put in level 3. And then here, level 3, I want to change the view range to level unlimited, and then 0. There we go. And then now we'll be able to just add it on this side where the windows are, and then we'll be able to guide. So like that, it create a angle, and we be able to change it and properly add it. So here, and then why not just add it onto here, maybe 2 set of them. And then here we're going to put it copy, and then here 2000, and then we're going to just move it to the proper location. So which one is like this one? It's good enough. So we have enough light going down and in the balcony, and then here as well, similar idea. Add it 3 times, I believe, and then just add it in the middle. So here, align it, move it in the center, and then just add every 1000 again. I think that's good enough. Center it with between the walls or the windows, and then we could see. So this one is looking good. It doesn't feel overpowered. And then now what I want is to just change this material right here. I'm just going to click on paint, and I'm gonna use one of this one. So we have cherry here. Let's use something that we haven't used yet, so unused. So it's a good way of knowing that we haven't used this one yet. So here I'm gonna use this one, so at least we know that this one is good enough right there. So that's done right there. We added lights, and then I want to add something right here. So edit boundary, actually not boundary, but this is floor, and then we add a model in place, generic model, and then here I'm going to add a sweep, pick path, and select this path right here, and then click finish, edit profile, and then here let's just add a nicer look here. So by doing this, it will give more detail here. So I'm gonna do maybe just 10, and then here I'm going to put this one right here. I think 5, no, something 10 again, or no, not 10, 30, and then here is 5. That's good. Delete this one right here, trim, and then we could use this one. So 5 as well, and then here we're going to make it nice as well. Let's put 30, similar to what we did, and then 5. Trim and extend. Trim and extend here. Delete the extras, and then let's make it nice here. So I'm going to put 5. I think that's good enough. And then here, the technique that I experienced so that we don't need to do this anymore is just Control C here, and then click finish, and then let's change the material first. I'm gonna do another concrete material that we haven't used, cast in place. I'm gonna use that. So now here it's done. And then let's do another sweep. Pick path. And then click finish, edit profile, and then control V here. And then you just need to line it up to the same location. There's going to be temporary dimensions there. If not, just put it on this intersection. So we're going to do that on the other side. And then here, the same one that we use, concrete, the last one, I think C20. So I'm gonna click OK, and then OK. Okay. So there, C20. So that's the same thing. And then let's do this on the side. Click on sweep, pick path. Always select this path right here first, because it's the one that we use to create this one, and it's easier to paste. So after that, edit profile, Control V, and then somewhere here it's going to be connected. Same material. And then now we go at the back right here, and then create again, not extrusion, so remove that. Let's create a sweep, pick path. It's gonna be just straight, and then edit profile, look for where the intersection is, and then Control V. But here it's gonna be a different way. So what you need to do, select that, mirror it, then you can delete the other one, and what you can do is select all of this, and then you know that you can move it MV from here, and then put it in that intersection, and you're good. And then click finish, make sure material is correct as well, and then click finish again. So as you can see, it's easier to just add the profile. It's a lot easier if you just create the profile itself, but that's something that we could do in the future. But why not just create it one time, you know all the dimensions, and then just repeat it. And also we're just gonna do it here anyway. So we're good there. I want to add lights right here, so I'm gonna edit profile, and then I'm gonna select this one here, and then I'm going to void sweep here, and then pick path, select this path right here. And then we're gonna do the same thing but with a void, and then after we void that, we're going to add the proper light material that we're gonna use. So click finish right here, click here, edit profile again, and then select this one. So this is just for measurement, so 20, and then we're going to put 5, 5, 5 right there. And then close it off, and then delete this one, and then we could just copy this one right here. We can copy it and then select it right here, click finish, and then finish again, and then cut geometry. So that's done there. Let's go and void it here again, void sweep, pick path right here, select that, click here, sweep, modify, edit profile, and then Control V to add it there. I know it's 20 from the top, so I'm gonna put 20 from the top, and we want to make sure that everything looks proper, and then we just attach it at the end here. select this, click finish, and then cut geometry, and then create it again. Lastly, void sweep, pick path, select that one, click finish, edit profile, Control V again, create that location right there, and then move this to the end, whatever end you have. So now I'm just gonna delete this. Move it at the end there, delete this, click finish, and then finish again, cut geometry, finish. And then because you did that, we need to edit again, because we're going to paint inside of this. You cannot just use paint whenever you want, because this is a model in place. So we need to look for luminance. After that, you need to select at the end here. Select that. So that's the light that we need to add. There we go. So now every time we have that, that is the one that is going to have lights on. So click on finish, and as you can see, everything looks good. You have a patch here, and then we could put some trees in the front, and then we have a patch there that we could put as well. And then before we finish, I want to add the same one here. So let's go to ground, and I just want to select this, edit in place, and then I want to select all of them, copy it, and then I want to add it on this side. And of course we could, it's better to just edit the extrusion, and then change this to 50, and then click finish, and then we could just move this one to properly, and then click finish. So we have it there as well. We could add, and then we could add it in front of here, or maybe there as well, but I think that's too much already. In this location, that's good enough. And then just over here, I just want to add a nice scone lighting. So let me just go to level 1, and want to make sure that this one is at least in the center. So I'm just going to use annotation lines to see the center point of this. And not too bad, we could just move this one something like that, so we could align it as well, and then align it to the door. There we go. It's not that bad here as well. So, and then what I want to do is just delete this door right here. I don't want any entrance or way here. I want it to be all in this location. And then let's go to our south elevation and then just quickly add. So model in place, generic model, and then it's just going to be a simple cone. Pick a plane and then this wall right here, and then we're going to add this like that and lower it a bit. And we're going to extrude it around 100 only, and then change the material to one of the metal material. Click apply, okay. Click finish, and then copy it right about here and copy it right there, somewhere there. Click finish, go to 3D to see how it looks. It looks good, but I'm going to lower the extrusion a little bit more, and then just align AL, align them to the face. So that's good enough there. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue in the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.